It's February 10th, 2012. I can't stop coughing day. I don't know why. My head is filled with phlegm today. I know. That's a really pretty picture. What do I want to talk about? Oh, Alice. Are you warm? Are you warm? Laying on the airport base station, honey? Alice used to lay on top of my laptop when I had it hooked up on the desk. And it was on all the time. So it would be warm. So she loved laying on top of it. But now that that's gone, because I got the iMac, it's hard to lay on top of such a thin edge. So now she's taken to laying on top of the airport base station, which is behind Rich's iMac. Poor thing. Yes, I'm being facetious. It's a very, very, very gray day. Looks like just really heavy fog, low clouds. So it's a Friday. I'm at home. Don't have to go into the office. Don't have house cleaners coming today, so I'm just sort of free and clear. Ooh, headache. Our friend Sean went home to Korea last month and brought us back a set of medicinal herbal teas. I have no idea what they are, but the packaging alone is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, the purity of the white, the nice silver printing inside. They have 6 varieties. He gave us 6 varieties. Magwa, Jeju, Kyoglo, Dangui. I don't know. It is in Roman characters, but it's hard to pronounce. I don't know what each of these does. I guess I should ask him. I'm having one today. This one is Dangui, which has this lovely kind of pale yellow color. And it smells, I don't know exactly what it smells like. It's kind of got a caramelly note, as well as something that's kind of savory. It's lovely. Whatever medicinal benefit I'm about to get, great. I appreciate it. But it's delicious anyway. Oh, hello, Sydney. What's going on? New record came out on Tuesday from Paul McCartney. It is, of all things, a jazz record. 13 of the 16 tracks are covers taken from the Great American Songbook. Classics such as Bye Bye Blackbird, Accentuate the Positive, and Always. Really nice selections. What makes it really intriguing for me are the backing musicians. Diana Krall, who's my absolute favorite, plays on every track except one. And the other supporting musicians are mostly drawn from her entourage. Folks like Anthony Wilson on guitar, John Clayton, Jeff Hamilton, etc., etc. I've really been enjoying it a lot, so you should check it out. Last night, they did a live performance from Capitol Studio A, Capitol Records Studio in Hollywood, and it streams on iTunes for free. So it's almost an hour performance, and it's really, really good. You have to watch it through iTunes on a computer, or if you have a new Apple TV, you can stream it through that device, but it doesn't work on an iPad or an iPhone. So go check it out. Tell me what you think. In my opinion, they are some of the best musicians working today. I have really, really enjoyed it. I've already watched the live stream 3 or 4 times today. So, yeah. You want to play, Sydney?
Oh, I know what she wants. Where's the ribbon? I don't know what happened to that. What did you say? What'd you do with the receipt?
It's right here.
Here's it.
She's too busy sniffing your shoes.
She sticks her whole head in there and she's gonna get stuck. What?
You ready?
You gotta get changed.
I like it when you come home like that.